Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the world, but couldn't find the right words to express how you feel? You're not alone. Emotions are a big part of our lives, and learning how to express them in English can help you feel understood. Let's explore the language of emotions, so next time, you'll know exactly what to say. Let's start with some basic emotions. These are feelings we all experience. Happy. When you feel joy or pleasure. I'm happy because I got a good grade. Sad. When you feel unhappy or down. She felt sad when her friend moved away. Angry. When you feel mad or upset. He was angry because someone broke his phone. Scared. When you feel afraid or in danger. I was scared during the thunderstorm. Surprised. When something unexpected happens. She was surprised when they threw her a party. Disgusted. When something feels gross or unpleasant. He felt disgusted by the smell of rotten food. Now let's go a little deeper. These emotions help you describe exactly how you feel. Frustrated. When things don't go the way you want. She felt frustrated when her computer froze during the test. Excited. When you're really looking forward to something. I'm so excited about my birthday party tomorrow. Embarrassed. When you feel shy or awkward in front of others. He felt embarrassed when he forgot his lines on stage. Confident. When you believe in yourself and your abilities. She felt confident before her job interview. Lonely. When you feel alone or disconnected. He felt lonely after moving to a new city. Jealous. When you want something that someone else has. She felt jealous when her friend got a new phone. Proud. When you feel good about something you or someone else did. They were proud of their hard work on the project. Let's look at some common phrases people use to express emotions in English. I feel over the moon. Very happy. I'm fed up. Frustrated or annoyed. She's on cloud 9. Extremely happy. He lost his temper. Got angry. I'm feeling blue. A little sad. Emotions are powerful. The more you understand them, the better you can connect with others. How are you feeling today? Write your emotion in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's learning English too.